So sometimes in class you're going to be asked to insert an image from Google or create a shape in your Word document assignment. So that is what I'm going to show you to do today. First off, let's start with our Word document, and let's say this title is Zebras. I've placed my title. I'm going to click Enter. Then we're going to go down to Google. Once I'm at Google, I'm going to search zebra. Then I'm going to click on the Images tab. Once I am there, I'm going to find an image that I like. And then we're going to go with this one. We'll right click on the mouse and click Save Image As. And we're going to title this Zebra. Place it. Then we'll go back to the Word document, and I'm going to click on the Insert tab and then go to the Pictures. Click on that. From there, I already have my picture here. I'm going to click on my picture. Then I'm going to click Insert. Once I click Insert, it should bring the picture up on the Word document. There we go. So there's our picture, and then from the four corners and the four sides of the picture, you can drag it and make it smaller or bigger, just however it fits in your page and however you would like it to be. So that's how you insert a picture from Google onto your Word document. Now we are going to create a shape to add on this assignment. So we're going to go back to the Insert tab. Below the Pictures tab, there's a tab that says Shapes. You're going to click on that arrow, and it gives you a variety of different shapes to choose from. So for this assignment, let's add a sun. And then I'm going to use this and drag it, make it as big as I would like it. Then from there, I could leave it like that, but we would like to make it a little more pretty. So let's go up here where it says Shape Fill, and we'll color it yellow. Then we can also do the shape outline. I'm going to make it orange. Light orange. Then there we have our sun. Okay, and you can do any shape you would like to add on there, but that's just the one I chose for this tutorial. So that is how you insert an image and create a shape on your Word document.